Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Expensify to auto-capture receipts and categorize fast, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Expensify app on your mobile device. Log into your account if prompted. Navigate to the settings by tapping on your profile icon. Scroll down to find the Preferences section. Look for the Smart Scan feature. Toggle the Smart Scan option to enable automatic receipt capture. Ensure your camera permissions are granted for this feature to work effectively. To use the receipt capturing functionality, tap on the camera icon. Take a clear photo of your receipt, making sure all details are visible. Once captured, Expensify will automatically extract the necessary information. Next, navigate to the Categories section within the app settings. Select the categories you frequently use for expense tracking. Enable the option for automatic categorization of expenses if available. Review any existing receipts to adjust categories as needed. For new receipts, Expensify should now suggest categories based on your preferences. Regularly check the app for updates to stay current with new features. Frequently review your categorized expenses to maintain organization. Utilize the Reports tab to generate summaries of your expenses effortlessly. By following these steps, you can streamline your expense tracking process. Enjoy the benefits of having your receipts auto-captured and categorized efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.